Hello, and welcome to Using Watermarks in Word. This presentation is going to cover the process of adding a watermark to a document. We're going to talk about when does it make the most sense to use a watermark, which watermark you want to use, how to get it into your document, and how to get it out. In our organization, watermarks are used for a couple of different scenarios. The first one is documents that we create that are going to be kept internal to our organization. If we want to alert other readers that this is the first draft of a document or the final draft, or if it's confidential, those are the types of watermarks that we would use on an internal document. Now, on an external document, something that perhaps could be a proposal that we're sending to a client or a potential client, we are always going to mark those as confidential because they contain information that we would classify as trade secrets. We would not want our competitors to see our pricing or our proposal to a potential client. So those are always going to be marked confidential. In order to add a watermark to your document, the first thing you need to do is select the Design tab, and then on that ribbon near the right-hand side, you will see the watermark icon. Once you select that, you will see this pop-up window. Once you select text, these options are available for you on the drop-down list. So these are the built-in text options that are easily added. So you can highlight whichever one that you want to insert, and then you'll be given some additional options. Take a look at these. So in this situation, I selected confidential from the drop-down list. Now that that drop-down list is gone, you can see what was underneath it. I can select the font I want to use, whether it's bolded or italicized. I can select the transparency of the lettering, the color of the font, which is usually a light gray. It's usually light enough to be behind the writing of the document so that it's not too distracting for the reader. Some people like to put it diagonally across the page or horizontally. Either one of those are choices. So there's a lot of things that you can do here to change and make it exactly how you want that watermark to look. After you're done making any changes to it, all you need to do is select OK in that lower right-hand corner, and that watermark is going to be added exactly like you designed it to every page in the document. Now, if you decide that is not the right watermark for me, I want to do something different. In fact, maybe you just want to remove the watermark completely from your document. Of course, that's easy to do also. So you're going back to the Design tab. You're selecting the watermark icon at the right-hand side of the ribbon, and then you're going to get this pop-up box again that you see on the slide. All you need to do is select No Watermark and OK in the lower right-hand corner, and the watermark will be removed from every page. So it's a very simple process. So you can see that adding a watermark to your document or taking it out is pretty easy once you know the steps. If you have additional questions about watermarks, Word Help is a great resource. Of course, Microsoft's support website has a lot of in-depth information, and our IT help desk is available for you as well. Now, we didn't cover it in this particular presentation, but we do have a more advanced presentation on watermarks where you can actually create your own watermark You can use your own text, and you can also use an image. So that is available. If you would just check the training library, and you'll be able to find that if you're interested in a little bit more advanced version of Watermarks.